How are you? I hope you all are fine. In our last video, we have discussed about chapter number 9. Chapter name is The Climate of India. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the answer the following question in a paragraph of chapter 9. So student, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 9. Name is The Climate of India. So student, what is climate? And what is the climate of India? So first of all, I'm going to discuss about the climates. Climates is the weather condition of a larger area over a long period of time, such as 30 years or more. So student, climate is the weather condition of a larger area over a long period of time, such as 30 years or more. So student, the climate of a places is determined by various factors: altitude and height. Altitude or height of a place above the sea level also determine the climate. Like temperature falls with increasing height. Now the next factor is distance from the sea is also affect the climate. The student wind from the sea ensured that the coastal area have a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. This is one reason why the coastal city of Mumbai and Chennai have almost the same temperature throughout the year, neither too hot nor too very cold. So student, look at the season. How many main seasons of our country, of our India? So first of all, I'm going to discuss about the season. Season are the period into which a year is divided based on the weather pattern. The student, there are three main seasons in India: summer, winter and monsoon. Summer, the hot weather season. Summer in India usually start in March and continue till the arrival of the monsoon rain in June, April and May are usually the hottest month of the year, and in summer days are longer and night shorter during the summer month. And the next season is monsoon. So student, after the hot summer, the monsoon rain brings great relief to the peoples of India. The monsoon winds are moisture-laden winds that bring rains to most part of India during June, July and August. And the next season is winter, the cold season. So students, from October onwards, the weather start becoming pleasant. Gradually in November, winter begins in most part of northern and central India, and it usually lasts till February. And in winter, days become shorter and night becomes longer. And January is the coldest month in most places. The student, now come on the exercises. What is the difference between the climate and the weather? So student, in this question you have to describe and you have to differentiate between climate and weather. So look at this: climate, weather and climate. The student, weather refers to how hot, cold, cloudy, rainy or windy a place is over a short span of time, or like a few hours or a day. On the other hand, climate is the weather condition of a larger area over a long period of time, such as 30 years or more. Now look at the change observed in weather and climate. The change in the weather condition can be observed very frequently because weather change in a short span of time like a few hours or a day. Next, the change observed in climate. The change in climate take a longer time to change. So these are the difference between the weather and the climate. Now look at the next question, that is question number 2. Why does climate vary from one places to another? So student, in this question you have to describe about the climate vary from one place to another. Why climate varies? Answer is, climate vary from one place to another due to following factor. First one is altitude or height. Second one is distance from the sea. So look at the altitude or height of a place above sea level. Temperature fall with increasing height. So the mountainous areas have low temperature. So student, climate depend upon the altitude or the height of a place above the sea level. Next one is distance from the sea. Wind from the sea ensure that coastal areas have a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. This is one reason why the coastal city of Mumbai and Chennai have almost the same temperature throughout the year. So student, distance from the sea is also a factor that affect the climate of any places. So these are the two factors that affect the climate, and because of this factor the climate vary from one place to another. Now look at the next, that is question number 3. Look at the question number 3. Write brief notes on summer in India, monsoon, winter in India. So answer is summer in India. So student, there are three main seasons in India. First one is summer, monsoon, winter. Summer means the hot season, monsoon means the rainy season, and winter means the cold season. So look at this. Summer season is the hottest season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. In this season, the temperature becomes so high that water start to evaporate very quickly. Now look at the next season, the monsoon. You can say it's a rainy season. Monsoon or rainy season lasting from June to September. The season is dominated by the humid southwest summer monsoon, which slowly sweeps across the country beginning in late May or early June. Now look at the next season, the winter. Winter means the cold season. You can see it's a cold season. Winter is one of the most important season in India. It is a parts of the four season that occurs in India. Days become shorter and nights are longer in winter season. So student, I hope you all understood about the question and answer, and you have to write this question answer in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.